Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to give you guys the Promeai tutorial and how you can use it for architecture. As you can see, we're on the page and let's say we want to do a sketch rendering. So we're going to click on this and then let's say we're going to select architecture. Now, there are some images that you can take for inspiration, or you could also add an image of your own. So let's say building architecture and then images, and let's say that we like this house, right? So we're gonna save image as into downloads and then just, oh, this is a WebP file. Let's say we go for this one and then we wanna, okay, this is a JPG file, so we're gonna save this one and then we're going to click on image, upload an image, upload this one and then open, and then it's gonna show you everything. You could also crop out, let's say we don't want any of the sky part or the trees, anything like that. You can choose it on your own and then click on done, and then into assets you can see there are no assets and you can add them, but from here we can select the style how we want it. Let's say we don't want a style but we want a scene. Let's say the scene is architecture and let's say we want it like a residence building, and mode, let's say we want depth, and then we're going to click on generate, and from there it's going to load up right over here. As you can see, these are some of the examples that I generated previously, but this does take some time to load, so you have to wait for that to happen. As you can see, this has been done generating, and these are the types, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.